Hey, Dan Passarella here. Happy Friday. Every Friday is a happy Friday, and so is this one. It's been quite a week. I mean, not really. It's been kind of an eventful week, although today was interesting. Let's just do a little bit of a recap. So, this week was kind of about inflation with the final number, the PCE, which is the Fed's favored inflation gauge. That's the one that they care about the most, coming in right in line with expectations, which was actually a little bit lower. A smidge lower, not quite where it needs to be just yet, but a smidge lower, which was good news. And so, therefore, the market rallied in the beginning of the day, but then it didn't rally anymore. It sold off and ended up down just a smidge, 0.3%. Fairly big range today, though, as we can see, on a fair amount of volume. We're definitely in, I don't know, maybe the top third of heaviest volume days over the past 6 months. So when I see that, I start thinking, hey, battle between sellers and buyers. And it looks like the sellers ended up winning out with an outside day here. So maybe, it's not a very strong technical signal by any stretch of the imagination. So we'll wait and see what happens next week, because you know what next week is? Next week is important because we are going to have a lot of employment information. And that's sort of becoming the thing that we need to start watching. JOLTS, the weekly unemployment, which is usually on Thursday, but Thursday is the 4th of July holiday, Independence Day here in the U.S. So that's going to be on Wednesday. Then the market's closed on Thursday. Oh, and it closes early on Wednesday, by the way, noon, I believe. And then on Friday, it's the first Friday of the month. So guess what? We have the monthly unemployment. So a lot of really important stuff. And if we see employment starting to weaken, like some of the Fed people have been chatting about a little bit, and some of the people have been kind of worrying about a little bit, if we do see employment start softening, I would think that a rate hike would be more imminent, but I don't know if that's good news. We might start to be getting into a point where it is where we're at that part of buy the rumors, sell the news. I don't know. We'll have to take a look and see how it plays out. But play out it will. Have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday ready for more market action.